taking care of a denture. If you are somebody who is wearing a removable denture which is made of acrylic resin or be it any kind of a resin material, if not an acrylic, any kind of a rubberized material, how do we take care of the denture? This is what that we are going to look in this video. Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running our dental centers in Chennai, Raja Annamalapuram since the year 2001. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. We've got a whole bunch of videos coming out in the next 1 year. So if you're a denture wearer, it's very important that you take care of the dentures. What steps that needs to be done? One, always remove your dentures at night. You're not supposed to wear the dentures full time. The reason is our dentures rest on the soft tissue. Our soft tissue are very elastic in nature. When you leave the dentures out at night, the soft tissues, because of their elasticity, has got a rebound, and resting the soft tissue during the elastic rebound helps to heal the soft tissue, helps to remove the pressure of the denture on the soft tissue, and helps to keep the soft tissues very clean and healthy. As far as the denture is concerned, after removing the dentures at night, first wash it with plain water. So that all the food debris, all the particles that we have eaten are removed from the dentures. So once you wash it with plain water, next is to take a liquid soap solution and have a special denture brush. When you use a regular toothbrush, it doesn't reach out in all the areas of the brush, and toothbrush might not be hard enough to have a good amount of pressure on the dentures to keep it clean. Because if you remember, these dentures are plastic in nature, there will be minor pores. On these pores, if food goes and gets caught, it can lead to bad breath, it can lead to some fungal infection happening on the denture. So ensure that you use a denture specific denture brush and a liquid soap. So soak the denture specific brush in the liquid soap. Ensure that you clean up all the surface of the denture. When I say all the surface, it's not just the teeth alone, teeth, the outer plastic surface, and also the inner surface of the denture. Ensure that you thoroughly keep it clean, and once you have cleaned it, again wash it with plain water. So now this will make the denture sparkling clean. So once you have done that, don't leave the dentures out on a surface which will allow the dentures to dry, because this can lead to some alterations in the dimensions of the dentures, and the dentures might not last long. Ensure that you take a container with a good plain tap water or drinking water, potable water. You soak the dentures in water on a closed container. Why closed container? I've had stories, patients coming and telling me, my dentures are missing in the morning, I left it at night. The next day morning, I am searching for the dentures, some rat or something has taken off the dentures. We have heard stories like that. So ensure that you always store the dentures in closed containers so that you can preserve the denture. And next day morning, after you clean your mouth, brush all the tissues that are there, take care of your mouth, and again rinse the denture with a fresh set of water. You can use toothpaste now to clean the dentures, and then start wearing the denture. This is the simple tool that you need to take care of the denture. If you feel that elderly sometimes don't have the much of hand coordination, the dentures can slip and fall. If you're going to stand and wash the denture, when it slips and falls from your hand, it is going to fall on the ground and you're going to break the dentures. So ensure when you clean the dentures, you have a bowl of water. By chance your denture slips, it's going to slip into the water, your denture will not break. And also over a period of time, you've got something called the denture cleaning powder or tablets that are available. So these tablets need not be used routinely, regularly. Every week, once you can use, where you can soak the dentures in this denture cleaning powder. So this denture cleaning, when you soak the denture in this denture cleaning powder, this will ensure that any small stains that is happening in the denture, this denture cleaning powder or the tablets will remove all these stains that are happening, and you can have the dentures as new as possible. So these are some of the simple tools for keeping your dentures clean. If you have any questions, please do ask us. We'll be happy to answer. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Until next time, thank you and bye-bye.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.